Step 5. Synthesis. Let's review steps 1 through 4. Step 1. Task definition. Read the assignment. Rewrite the assignment in your own words. Create a checklist of requirements and due dates. Write research questions. Use research questions to determine keywords. Step 2. Information seeking strategies. Make a list of all possible sources. Evaluate to determine best possible sources. Step 3. Locate and access information. Locate sources. Find information within sources. Step 4. Use of information. Engage and extract relevant information. Step 5 is synthesis. Synthesis literally means combining ideas to form a new whole. At some point, you need to start putting your information and ideas together for presentation. You are creating a new information source when you do this. You take what you have learned and synthesize it into something that is unique to your project goals. So explain what you want to do with the information. First, you organize the information from multiple sources, and then you present the information. Let's break this down even further. Organize information. You can write an outline, make a list of key points, or create a mind map to help organize your report or project. Ask yourself, do you have enough information? Have you finished your research? Does the information answer your research questions? And how will you present this information? These are key to your final product. Finally, presenting the information. Write a rough draft and begin to complete your assignment. Refer to your checklist of requirements and due dates to make sure that you are presenting all the correct information. Don't forget that when you use the thoughts and ideas of other people, you need to give credit to them by citing your information sources. If you haven't, you are plagiarizing. Remember the outline? This will help you organize all your sources that you've found and all the information that you want to include in your paper. So the majority of your research is going to go in your body paragraph. You can include any number of sources in any body paragraph, but remember that 70% of your paper needs to be your own words and your ideas. The research is simply there to supplement your ideas. Step 6 is evaluation. Let's review steps 1 through 5. Step 1. Task definition. Read the assignment. Rewrite the assignment in your own words. Create a checklist of requirements and due dates. Write research questions. Use research questions to determine keywords. Step 2. Information seeking strategies. Make a list of all possible sources. Evaluate to determine best possible sources. Step 3. Locate and access information. Locate sources. Find information within sources. Step 4. Use of information. Engage and extract relevant information. Step 5. Synthesis. Organize information from multiple sources and present the information. Step 6 is evaluation. Here, you judge the product and judge the process. This part of the process doesn't happen at the end, but is something that you do continuously throughout your research. Judging the product and the process applies to the sources you look at as well as the final presentation of your research. If you effectively evaluate what you are doing as you go along, your final product will be of a higher quality and have more impact than if you take the first thing you see and fail to examine them carefully. So how do we do that? We judge our product and we judge the process. Let's break that down a little more. To judge your product, you should compare the product to the task as defined in step 1. You should also use the rubric that your teacher provides you. How would you grade yourself if you were giving yourself your own final grade? And judge the process. Think about the process as a whole, the research process that is. What did you do well? and where could you have improved. This will help you the next time you have a research project. Those are the 6 steps of the research process. Go back through them and decide which ones you need to revisit so that you have all of them understood completely.